Okay, folks, them 4 fighter jets in the plane are now flying back overhead, but it's only 2 fighter jets with the plane. Where'd the other 2 fighter jets go? Maybe they're heading towards Naughty Beaver. But I mean, come on, what the fuck? 2 fighter jets with the same plane. Where did the other 2 fighter jets go? Like, out of the blue like this is crazy. Like, chemtrail planes, 4 fighter jets, and a chem plane. I mean, he's obviously leaving a trail there behind him. That's sick. It's crazy. I wonder who's on that plane. Somebody pretty important, eh? To be circling around. He lost 2 fighter jets, now he's only got 2. Or it's another plane with 2 more fighter jets. But I mean, that's kind of weird. I'd say it's fucking weird. Pretty rad. But I'm done with that video. Have fun with it.